How to add volume buttons on screen on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can add volume buttons on screen on Android. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you want to add volume buttons on your screen on Android, you need to download two applications on your device. One of them is Volume and Assisted Volume, which you can easily find in any of the Google Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, simply download. So volume is an application where when you click on this app, you can automatically find this volume option. You may just adjust it accordingly if you want it. But if you want a permanent option like on your screen with a volume button, what you can do is simply click on this assistive volume button, which is easily available on App Store or any of the App Store, as I said before. And here you just need to tap on this toggle option, and when you turn it on, you can see selective style. You may just select any of the style if you want. Android, iOS, RGB, Android Heart, which are premium features if you want to update. And I just select this Android 12 for now, and you may just set up your settings like your button settings. You can see button transparency, button size, different kind of options here. You may just set it accordingly. Same with the slider settings if you want to do anything with the slider settings of that volume button. And here are different options like power button and many more, but we're just gonna look for volume right now. And that's how you basically add your volume button on the screen. So whenever you close the app, you can see you can place this volume button anywhere on the screen, and you may just adjust your volume accordingly. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to add volume buttons on your Android device very successfully. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.